Good morning students. Today we are going to start our ninth chapter of history, that is Kings and Chronicles. Okay, so in this chapter you will study about the Mughal courts and the sources by which we will get the information of the Mughal Empire. Okay students, in this video we are going to have an introduction of this chapter. So let us start. The rulers of the Mughal empires saw themselves as appointed by the divine. They thought that they were appointed by the divine or by the god to rule over the people. For that, they started one propaganda. In that propaganda, they believed that they should start writing about themselves or writing a dynastic history. For writing, kings ordered the court historians to write an account. Kings of the Mughal Empire ordered the court historians to write down their history, write down their accounts. Writers collect a vast amount of information. For writing, they need information in large amount. So he started collecting a vast amount of information. And information like what? Information about the rulers, laws of the Mughal Empire, wars and victories and achievements and many more things they have started collecting. Okay. And in present time, modern historians writing English, they started writing in English and they give this writing about the dynastic history given the name that is chronicle. They in English they have called it chronicles. Okay students, so we will go all through the points in detail in this chapter. Thank you students.